hand.
Stay in your gimbal if you can. You hooked up too, Rich. Get it into your gimbal. Get it round in front of you. Yeah. We've got a double hook up, guys. Rich hooked over this side too. Kieran gets to the bottom, we'll probably have a triple hook up. Work them up, fellas, work them up. What are you doing out of your gimbal?
Yeah, but I can't get it in my gimbal.
It was in there. Right?
Yes. Yeah.
Go down?
I'm not.
Alright, work him up then. It'll be hard work, Jigger. Keep going, that's the way. Work hard, work hard. Alright?
Jump.
Lift and wind, lift and wind.
Yeah, but it slips out. See? I can't.
Do what you can then, mate. Do what you can. Colour, Rich? You need to get the butt down.
My arm's going to jump.
Big fish will do that to you, son. Up. That's it. Just keep doing that. Just keep inching him up. A little bit of swearing too, I might add. Jimmy's still working like a Trojan.
Better be freaking big.
Better be red. That's all I'm thinking. Keep going, mate. Only another 100 foot to go. Work hard, work hard. Keep going. Come on, let's keep going, mate. It's a nice fish, whatever it is, Louis. Keep working. Big effort here by the gym boss, gym stuff. Keep going, mate. You got him beat now. You got him beat now. Keep going. That's the way. Keep it in that gimbal.
Colour yet?
No, not quite. Yes, we're just starting to get colour. Did you get shark? Keep going, mate, he's almost here. OMG. It's the biggest trevor you've ever seen, I reckon. Keep going. He's almost here. Mate, this is legendary. Oh yeah, baby! Double header of Trevor's. Pull him back this way. Oh my boy.
Shit.
No wonder you've been working hard, champ.
Shit.
That is massive. Good work, mate. What do you think of that? Hey? Double header of Trevor's. That's 200 odd feet. Woo!